Hey guys, it's Tara and welcome back to another video. I absolutely love the holidays. In my Italian-American household growing up, we typically had either lasagna or manigatta for Christmas Day. So today I thought I would show you guys how to make a really easy and delicious Italian gravy. This gravy is perfect for any type of pasta recipe, and if you're looking for a homemade manigatta, I have a recipe for that on this channel, and I will link it in the description box below if you'd like to check that out afterwards. Before we get started, if you have not already, I would love for you to be a part of this community. You do that by hitting the red subscribe button that's right below this video, and be sure to click the bell icon. That way you're notified each time I post a new video. If you guys are ready to make this super delicious Italian gravy, smash that like button and let's jump right into the video. We're going to begin this recipe by grabbing a yellow onion and some garlic cloves. I'm just chopping the onion up so I can easily remove the skins. And to get the skins off the garlic, it's best to just kind of smash down with your knife. It helps them to remove very easily. And then I'm going to grab my blender. I have never been a fan of a chunky Italian gravy, so today I'm going to use my blender to make this recipe super fast and easy. If you prefer your Italian gravy to be chunky, just chop up your onion, mince your garlic, and it will be delicious. Add the onion and the garlic to the blender, and then just give it a quick blitz. If you don't have a blender, you could also use a food processor. Of course, I'm drinking a dry red. Then we're going to grab our Instant Pot, set it to saute on high, and add our olive oil. I like to take the pot out and swirl it around so the whole bottom of the pot gets coated. Then we're going to add our sausage once the Instant Pot says hot. I have one of these mesh covers. I love using this when I'm making something like this. That way I don't get splashed with hot oil. After you remove the sausage, we're going to add our onion and garlic and give this a nice saute. I'm still drinking that dry red, and I'm going to add some of this delicious dry red to the Instant Pot to deglaze the bottom of the pot. It's really important to scrape the bottom of the pot so you don't have any burned bits. Then we're going to add our tomato paste. This will help it to incorporate better by adding it now. Then we're going to add some water. I'm going to talk more about the best way to add these ingredients to the Instant Pot in just a couple of minutes. Next, we're going to add our sauce. So I'm using a combination of tomato puree and tomato sauce. You can use whichever type that you like. This is what I had in my pantry, so I decided to do this. Then we're going to add our dried spices. A complete list of all of the measurements and ingredients will be in the description box below. Then we're going to add our sausage back in. Add our bay leaves. Can't forget those. What a depth of flavor they provide. Then we're going to grab our lid, make sure it is set to sealing. Then we are going to set the Instant Pot to pressure cook, and I'm going to change the setting to low pressure, and we're going to cook it for 30 minutes. I typically don't use the low pressure setting on my Instant Pot. Today, however, I am going to use it. I find it gives the best results, especially since this recipe is tomato sauce. Tomatoes have a tendency to burn on the bottom of the Instant Pot. I've written out very detailed instructions in the description box below with the best way to layer this recipe so you always get perfect results. Next, I'm going to chop up my fresh herbs so they're ready to go when the Instant Pot is finished. So I'm just using a handful of fresh basil and chopping it up nice and fine. And then I'm going to grab some fresh Italian parsley and do the same. You could skip the fresh herbs, however, if you have them, I highly recommend using them. We're going to allow 10 minutes of natural pressure. Then we're going to perform a quick release, and when the pin drops, we're going to open the lid. Remove the bay leaves. I didn't show it here, but make sure you remove them and add those fresh herbs. This sauce is so quick and easy to make. I cannot wait to hear what you guys think about this recipe. I hope you enjoyed today's video and that you have a chance to try it. Let me know any recipe ideas you have for a future episode in the comments below. I'm gonna leave a playlist of some delicious Italian recipes on the screen here if you'd like to check that out. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.